project that is raising the millionaires and billionaires of our time is right on your screen. Bakedbeans. Remember, this is no financial advice. Everything in this video is for entertainment and educational purpose, so you can do it at your own risk. Now let's go into what I have for you today. Just watch the analysis. Now I started with 18 million BNB plus 18 million beans. That is what I started with, 18 million beans plus. And now just have a look on my screens. I am having 50 million beans. Now I want you to know that this 50 million beans, what it is making for me every single day. Let's go. So let's see. Now I started with $415, which is okay. Let's look at the current dollar BNB rating on the market. Okay, one BNB is 415.01. okay, so I started with 415 BNB. So the 415 is one BNB is equivalent to 415 US dollars, and that was 18 million plus beans. Okay, it's 18 million 900 and something, but let's say it's 18 million plus beans. Now every day I was getting $33 from everything that I was doing. So every day I was getting $33. Now I am able to get 50 million beans within 2 days. Now let me show you. This was my video. I published it 14th April 2022, and today is 16th April 2022. And just have a look at my page. Have a look at what is going on here. Just have a look at it. So just let's go and continue the analysis. Now the 50 million beans you see on your screen is equivalent to 2.78 BNB. I've been able to make a double within 2 days, a double and even more within 2 days. So just look at it. I have $1,115.45. that is equivalent to the 50,000 beans. Now this is giving me $92 every single day, and at the end of 1 week I will get $644 in my account. This is equivalent to about 1.5 BNB. Just imagine, I will be able to accumulate, and if I want to get more beans so that I will get more daily returns, what do? I rebake the one that I am having and I accumulate it for 1 week. Do you know what I'll be getting? I'll be doing videos on it. Look at this, 644 weekly. If I should rebake all these things into the project back again, do you know the amount I'm making? I am making millions and billions of beans. Just look at it. The BNB, if I am to double this amount, 100,000 beans, if I am able to double this amount, the 8% of 2,310 will give me the daily what I will get every single day. So 8% of 2,310 will give me times 2 of this, which is equal to 184. That is 184 daily. This is what I am going to get every single day if I am able to reach. And if I accumulate more, I accumulate more beans. If I reach about 200 billion, if I reach about 300 billion, do you know what I am going to get? I am going to raise millions and billions in baked beans. What are you waiting for? This is the greatest project I have seen so far. So let's go back to the project. This is the project I have seen so far, and it is really working for me. In 2 days, I started with just 1 BNB. I've been able to make 2.78 BNB in my wallet right now. If right now the beans, I started this video, it is 0.03. If I should refresh right now, the beans is still baking, and just have a look at it. The 0.03 will change now. I just refreshed it. You see, So let's wait for now. The 0.03 that I started the video with is now 0.011. So day in and day out, the beans are cooking. The beans are cooking. You can choose to add more beans, you can rebake. I have already done. Somebody may ask me, how do I get on board? See, I will just leave the link in the description. Just press on the link and you are good to go. I have done series of videos on it. Okay, so you have no problem. Just go to this is everything that you will need. The first step, you download and install MetaMask. I have done a video on that. You link your MetaMask to BNB. I have done a video on that. You deposit BNB to your MetaMask. Now you bake your beans. Every video and every information you will need is right on my channel. I don't know what you are waiting for. Just get straight into this project, this amazing project, raising billionaires and millionaires of our time. I don't know what problem that you have. I don't know what issue that you have, but listen, bake more beans, then accumulate a lot of BNB in your wallet. This is all for today. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you leave a like. Let's share this information to the world. Let them start baking more beans. Now, one amazing thing is, if you register with my link now and you register, you will get your own personal link. Now, when you get your own personal link, the moment you register someone under you and the person registered with 1 BNB, you are going to get $47 in your account instantly. If the person registers with 2 BNB, you are going to get over $100+ for free in your account. You can decide to rebake it or you can decide to withdraw it from your wallet. You just connect it to your MetaMask, then you are good to withdraw. Don't waste time with this project. Make sure you join this family. Have a lovely day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because I have another amazing product onto my people. So if you really want to enjoy, subscribe so that you'll be notified when I release that amazing project. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.